Hello guys, welcome to Tech Media, and on today's video we are going to be talking about reasons why apps refuse to download on your Android device. You may be wondering why your apps refuse to download or why some apps crashes on your phone. I know it might be really annoying, so on this video I'm going to be showing you some simple ways to fix these problems. So if an app refuses to download through your Google Play Store, don't need to worry. All you need to do is go to the settings, which I'm going to show you now. Go to your settings, go to your apps. When you click on the apps, so now I go to my Google Play Store. Okay, here is it. I click on it. Now, the simple way to solve this problem is just simply by clicking on the Google Play Store here. Click on the storage. So after clicking on the storage, all you need to do is to clear the cache, which is at the right hand. So you click on the clear cache. So you see the cache has been cleared. So after clicking on the clear cache, you go back to the app, or you go back to your Google Play Store and try re-downloading that particular app which you refused to download. So let's try it out. So now I'm going back to my Play Store. So you see, it's now working perfectly. See, it's now working perfectly. It's very easy to use, feel free. But if the problem still continues, all you need to do is to clear the cache of your Google Play Store, clear the cache of your app, and restart the phone and try it again. So I'm sure it will work for you perfectly. So thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe. More will be coming your way. Thank you.